Hi, in this video we can see in employee table we have 5 records. Now in manually I want 2 records of employee name Mayur. So my select star from employee where EMP name Mayur. Now so that will return one record employee name which is match with Mayur. So now we can implement in a JPA. For that we have findBy query which is internally create where select query. Now we can get number of employees which name match with specific name. findBy select star from employee where now we can add any field here findBy EMP. Now it means it will EMP name and this type query made internally, and I want to add salary. Now what happened, salary, internally it is create this type of query. Now findBy features is that findBy query it is provide the select query. Here I add EMP name, first get field from entity and now put here and same data type which is declared in a repository entity we define in a repository. Now our findBy query is prepared. Now we are see in manual SQL query and findBy of JPA, so we are no need to write this type of query. Now we can see it is give result employee repository called repository method. Let's create the public findBy name custom method. We catch from presentation layer. Now return name. Now what we do here, catch name and to salary parameter in presentation layer and pass into service classes, and which is called repository custom method. So now restart application and see which is give proper result. So best advantage here, no need to write manual query. We remove this and now application started. Now check Mayur is written, bad request is present. Now here we no need to. Okay, now restart the application and see. I start the application and see we pass here Mayur and Mayur already in database, so which is response to the result. Now I pass here JDIP. Now that is written, so it is working. What we do here, we no need manually SQL query, just here write findBy and AMP name, any field of entity. So that is best benefit of it. Now we can see it is working with employee, another field like salary. This salary with data type in repository we put here, and this salary attribute field after findBy. Now we can change here little bit salary and pass salary. In presentation classes, here I first comment out name and enable salary. Now restart application and check out. Now application started. Salary 5500. So now see 5500 records available in DB. So that will return here, and now I want check 6500, and that employee name is Nileslar. So I check, yeah, that will return here. Okay, so here what we do here, presentation layer, pass salary, findBy, made custom method implement here. So best advantage here, when we are working with JPA and Spring Boot, we are manually create or implement custom method in interface of repository. So that's it.